Yeah, hello, welcome to another update on Kaspa. Wanted to start here on the daily time frame, larger time frame, and the Kaspa chart has performed quite well throughout 2023 into the 2024 highs, and then to mid 2024 a correction started where we don't currently have any real evidence that the correction is complete. I mean, we can zoom in a minute. I just wanted to zoom out first to show you the key support levels here, support areas. Currently, I still see the potential that this here is a fourth wave low that's forming in this area. And the relevant support levels are here at 4.7 cents, 2.9 cents. And to be honest, anything below is a little bit deep for a fourth wave. So all I'm saying is this is a support area we can watch for a wave 4 pullback after a third wave like the topped in July 24. And we need a bit more evidence really that a low is in. But I'll share with you the micro support area we can track. It is not what I would call a high quality chart. Why? Because the move to the upside is with very limited structure. It's a bit of a mess. You have a lot of overlapping price action. So while it works quite well as a three-wave move up, there is no guarantee we get a fifth wave up. All we can do is identify the support area because the yellow count is very likely. I mean, it's a three-wave move up, so it can simply be an A wave. And we could already be in a B wave. Yeah? And then this would be an A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. We might get one more high, though, to get the B wave done. So I'm going to share that with you. But yeah, let's see. So the long-term chart basically allows for the interpretation of one more high, but certain levels need to hold. Okay, we have a local setup here, which I'll show you in a minute. And if that plays out and, you know, the market helps us eventually grind higher here, in terms of upside targets, the 37-cent level is something that would be an option as a target for a fifth wave there. Yeah. But we should be in the late stages of the cycle. Like most of that rally is likely done. Let's call it like the high probability element of that rally is done. We might get a fifth wave. Looking at the shorter time frame, there is a local setup. Again, that might mean that we do have a rally which looks a bit like a five-wave move up from the April low. But it's important that now in the pullback, the 6.4 cent level is holding. That's the 78.6 retracement. So this would be a swing trade setup. But I don't have much confidence it's going to hold because the entire sector, while it looked quite promising overall in the last week or so, the entire sector has formed very strange movements here. Yeah, since the dip, well, last week. So we're still in support, also holding micro support, but please note below 6.4 cents, the probabilities for an upside reversal reduce. I'm watching for it, and this is an area where you would typically expect the bulls to turn up, okay? But we have to monitor these levels, you know? It's not like, okay, there is an area and the bulls have to turn up. It's about, okay, what are the levels? And I'm going to monitor it to see if the bulls turn up. I need to see minimally a break above 9.2 cents, that last swing high, to give us an indication that the move up has started. And that could be, as I said, a rally in wave C. It might also just be a wider B wave in yellow. That's possible as well. Therefore, we have to take it level by level this late in the cycle. Okay. But honestly, below 6.4 cents, I haven't got anything bullish left. So what else? I mean, you might recall in the last update I shared with you that here, this was not a reliable bottoming structure anyway on the 5th of June because it was a double bottom structure. These get often broken. That played out, but now obviously it's just waiting here to see if the bulls show up. It is an AB setup. It's not a 1-2 setup. It's not high quality. It's an AB setup. Less attractive because B waves sometimes break support and still recover. So the invalidation point is the April low that's formed at 5.27 cents. Lots of coins look similar, and I guess they will all break or all make it together. For now, the trend is still down, and I need to see a micro 5-wave move up that breaks above 9.2 cents for an indication a low is formed. That's the update on Kaspa. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on X for additional content. Here you can get additional updates, setups, and news and mindset stuff. So check it out. We're building a community here as well, which is very active. I've linked it in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.